Okay, found where the new stash was. You got them hidden back here. Starting to hide stuff now. Really nice water buffalo. She's pretty nice. I mean, not perfect, but it ain't bad, man. How many miles on it? 32,000. That's up there, though. Kawasaki. What is it? KZ 1100. Another Kawasaki KZ 650. Another Kawasaki LTD. And Kawasaki kit KZ 650. Little Yamaha. What is it? 250? I can't see it. I gotta go around here. Yep, 250. Yami 650. Special 2. First gen Goldwing. That's a pretty Yamaha. That's nice. It's real nice. I don't know if it's a repaint. It's pretty sparkly though. I don't remember Yamaha having that sparkly of paint. Another first year Goldwing. Another first year Goldwing. Geez. This is all British except for the two Benellis. No one they got over here. They weren't over here. They were in the other building. But they're locked up tight. Can't budge them. All British, British, British. See, I can't see what else is back in that back row. Goldwing. Looks like all Goldwings. A CBX rolling chassis. Looks like it was a custom. But no engine there. This Honda, it's a complete bike. Someone repainted it and was doing a full restoration, and then it just got stuck in these boxes. But it's an F. It'd be a nice bike to restore. Okay, there's nothing else in here I want to see. You know, this crazy thing's been around here for a long time. Someone, Siamese from Triumphs, built this crazy frame, this crazy tank. It could be something, man. I don't know why it calls my name. Because I see the possibility that it could be something. Like, you could make something cool out of this, but it'd be a lot of work, man. Just to make these cases right would be a lot of work. That's a lot of work to fix all this. But it could be done. It definitely could be done. And I wouldn't mind having it done. It could be something cool. Anyone want to build the motor for me? If anyone builds the motor, I mean, of course they'd pay to build the motor. I'd build this bike. Just because it's been here for so long. I mean, it's been here for like decades and decades and decades. Like from back in the day. But I don't have the capability. This all needs to be milled down, and this needs to be milled, and the motor needs to be built. So, but I would take it on. If someone willing to do the motor, the engine. All right, guys, keep watching. I'll keep shooting.